In this video, I'm going to talk about the fourth entry on this trade. And after we made this low right here, and then we'll get into the third entry right here. Now, what we do is from the low, this is the 4-hour time frame. From this low to this high right here, you can see that the discounted position is below this line right here. So what we do is we backtrack to see what is in that discounted position. So now we go down here, and what do we see? We see an inefficiency resting right here. This inefficiency right here is our point of interest. So what do we want to see once price comes into this position is a 5-minute shift to market structure. Once we see a 5-minute shift to market structure, we will anticipate to get into the marketplace. So as you can see right here, this is a high, this is a high, this is a low, and the high, this is a shift to market structure right here. And where would your entry be? This would be your entry position. I'm gonna make it a different color right here, and the low is gonna be your stop loss right here. This right here will be your stop loss. This is your entry position right here, and then your take profit still the same position, that high, which is the overall directional bias. So, and that right here will yield a 1:6 risk to reward ratio. So let's see how that goes. And price came in, tapped you in, activated you, and then we'll have an expansion. And let's see what price does afterwards. As you can see, price has smashed the take profit position right here. So this is basically how you could have gotten 4 entry positions, 4 positions on just one setup. So you first do your analysis from the bigger time frame, find out where the overall low hanging fruit is going to be, and then once price stops you in the first position, you start to look for further entry positions, scaling from the 8-hour, 4-hour, 1-hour. So the overall, you're going to be using like weekly, 8-day, 10-day time frame to find the overall directional bias, and then scale down using the 4-hour time frame to see your overall low hanging fruits. And after that, then once price stops you in the first entry, 5 minutes. Second entry, you're using your 8-hour. Third entry, you're using your 4-hour, 1-hour, and then waiting for a 5-minute shift to market structure. Fourth entry, same thing. And that right here delivered. The first one was the 1:17. Second one was the 1:5. Third one was the 1:4. And then the fourth one is the 1:6. So if you do the numbers, that's over 1:30 on just one setup. So I hope you understand this. If you have any questions, you're free to ask and I will answer away.